Krayzie Bone reportedly in critical condition. After coughing up blood, Bone Thugs and Harmony member Krayzie is reportedly fighting for his life in hospital. Krayzie, whose legal name is Anthony Henderson, was admitted to hospital on Friday after coughing up large amounts of blood. A CAT revealed that there was a leaking artery in one of Henderson's lungs. However, despite emergency surgery, doctors were unable to staunch the bleeding. At the time of writing, Henderson has been sedated and is unable to breathe unassisted. His fellow Bone, Busy, simply wrote "Pray for K" on his Instagram story. Krayzie turned 50 in June. Let me know what you'll think in the comments.